Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best HKD account Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Hong Kong is considered to be one of the largest and major strongholds of investment, as well as a major financial center in Asia. It holds both an important and necessary role in the Forex industry, as well as in the Hong Kong economy. The HKD is one of the most traded currencies in the Forex market, and it is the third most traded currency in Asia itself. Numerous Forex brokers offer the HKD as an account-based currency, or the conversion thereof when registering for a live trading account. Traders who are searching for some of the best HKD account Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best HKD account Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have BDSwiss. BDSwiss, a prominent financial services provider, offers a comprehensive range of investment opportunities to traders worldwide. With a strong global presence, BDSwiss is renowned for its user-friendly trading platforms and innovative tools, tailored to meet the diverse needs of both beginner and experienced traders. Offering access to a wide array of financial instruments, including Forex, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, BDSwiss empowers individuals to engage in the dynamic world of online trading with confidence. BDSwiss provides traders with cutting-edge trading platforms designed to enhance their trading experience. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the BDSwiss mobile application and web trader. With a focus on usability and functionality, BDSwiss offers a range of platforms tailored to suit the needs of different traders. And with a commitment to providing superior trading experiences, BDSwiss's platforms empower traders to execute their strategies efficiently and stay ahead of market trends. BDSwiss offers a range of carefully curated trading account types to suit the varied needs and preferences of traders. Their accounts include Cent, Classic, VIP, and Zero Spread accounts, along with Demo and Islamic account options. Each account type is designed to provide a tailored trading experience, empowering traders to choose the option that best aligns with their goals and trading style. With BDSwiss's diverse range of account types, traders can embark on their trading journey with confidence and peace of mind. The broker is committed to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. Through its comprehensive educational resources, BDSwiss provides traders with access to a wealth of learning materials designed to enhance their trading proficiency. From beginner-friendly tutorials and webinars to advanced trading strategies and market analysis, BDSwiss offers a range of educational content suitable for traders of all levels. Additionally, BDSwiss's dedicated team of experts regularly host live events and seminars, providing traders with valuable insights and practical tips for navigating the complexities of the financial markets. Overall, BDSwiss stands as a leading financial services provider, offering a comprehensive suite of trading solutions designed to meet the diverse needs of traders worldwide. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into trading or an experienced investor seeking advanced tools and insights, BDSwiss provides the resources and support needed to thrive in today's dynamic trading environment. At number 4 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. Coming in at number 3, we have HFM. HFM, a leading financial services provider, is a trusted name in the financial industry. HFM is dedicated to delivering top-notch financial solutions and services, navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. They are committed to providing clients with tailored and innovative strategies to meet their unique needs. HFM offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, commodities such as metals and energies, stocks, indices, bonds, CFDs on commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Clients can benefit from HFM's commitment to staying at the forefront of market trends, ensuring access to an extensive range of investment opportunities. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, HFM's trading instruments are supported by advanced technology, providing users with a seamless and responsive trading experience. Featured platforms are available on the HFM proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Users can choose from a variety of platforms, each equipped with advanced features, real-time data, and intuitive interfaces. HFM ensures clients have access to cutting-edge trading solutions, enabling them to execute trades efficiently and stay informed about market trends. Featured accounts are available on Cent, Zero, Pro and the Premium account, with Demo and Islamic account options. These trading accounts are designed to accommodate varying levels of expertise, offering flexibility and choice to its clients. With competitive spreads, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly interface, HFM's trading accounts are suitable for both novice and experienced investors. HFM is dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge through its comprehensive array of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully curated to cater to traders of all skill levels, providing valuable insights into financial markets and trading strategies. They offer a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and more. Whether you're a novice seeking to understand the basics or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, their educational resources offer a wealth of information. Overall, HFM stands as a leading force in the financial landscape, offering a wealth of opportunities and resources for traders and investors. With a commitment to innovation, HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and tailored trading accounts to meet the dynamic needs of its clientele. The emphasis on education underscores HFM's dedication to empowering individuals with knowledge to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you're a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best HKD account Forex brokers, we have Easy Markets. Easy Markets is a renowned online trading platform that offers accessible and user-friendly financial services to individuals worldwide. With a commitment to providing simplicity and convenience, Easy Markets empowers traders of all levels to engage in various markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Through its intuitive interface and comprehensive educational resources, Easy Markets strives to make trading straightforward and profitable for its diverse clientele. The broker offers a wide array of market instruments to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from Forex currency pairs and commodities to indices and cryptocurrencies. Their platform provides access to over 200 financial assets. With competitive spreads, flexible leverage options, and innovative trading tools, Easy Markets empowers traders to explore and trade various markets with confidence and ease. Easy Markets offers cutting-edge trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders. Their platforms include the Easy Markets proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the TradingView trading platform. With their user-friendly interface and powerful features, their platforms provide seamless access to global markets. Whether you're at home or on the go, the broker's trading platforms ensures a smooth and efficient trading experience, empowering traders to stay connected and capitalize on market opportunities anytime, anywhere. Easy Markets offers a range of trading accounts designed to accommodate the needs of traders at different experience levels. These accounts include the standard, premium, and VIP account types, along with demo and Islamic account options. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, Easy Markets provides account options tailored to your preferences and trading style. With features like competitive spreads, flexible leverage options, and dedicated customer support, Easy Markets ensures a seamless trading experience for all its clients. Additionally, each account type comes with access to a variety of trading tools and educational resources to help traders enhance their skills and stay informed about the markets. The broker provides a diverse range of educational resources tailored to suit traders of varying skill levels and interests. Their platform offers access to an extensive library of video tutorials, insightful articles, engaging webinars, informative ebooks, and interactive courses. These resources cover a wide range of topics, including trading basics, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. Whether you're a beginner looking to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, their educational material are designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to succeed in the financial markets. Overall, Easy Markets stands as a trusted online trading platform committed to providing accessible and user-friendly financial services to individuals worldwide. With a focus on simplicity, transparency, and customer satisfaction, Easy Markets empowers traders of all levels to engage in various markets with confidence. Through its intuitive interface, comprehensive educational resources, and innovative trading tools, Easy Markets continues to strive for excellence in delivering a seamless and rewarding trading experience for its diverse clientele. And those are some of the top 5 best HKD account Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.